The main rotor and tail rotor are crucial components. As the spinning blades cut through the air, they generate the lift required for vertical flight.
The collective pitch mechanism adjusts the angle of all rotor blades simultaneously, controlling the helicopter's ascent and descent.
To accelerate, the rotor disc tilts forward, pushing the helicopter ahead. This creates the necessary thrust while maintaining lift.
As the main rotor spins, it creates torque. The tail rotor counters this, controlling the yaw and enabling the aircraft to turn smoothly in place. Coordinated turns are essential for maintaining stability. Notice the precise rotor tilt compensating for the bank and the angle of attack adjustment.